Wants me. They replaced the SD card. They actually sent me the case. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this real quick. They sent me the case, the new adapter, and the SD card itself. I didn't expect them to send everything, but that was everything that came in the box, because they just wanted the replacement card, or the card that went bad, and they sent it. I checked it. They weren't able to retrieve my files, but I'm not worried about those files. But I got the new card and the adapter and the case. Probably could put this back in there. So I got the new SD card, the adapter, and the case. Which I was surprised that they sent it all in one. Yeah, I got the replacement card, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm going to stop, well, wait a second before I stop right there. That's what the tree looks like with all the ornaments on. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.